I just heard there. Look. There's one of the big egrets. Hello. Hi. That was so cool. I'm so glad we caught that. That was amazing. It's gonna swing back around. I can see him. Yeah, he's gonna swing back around this way, which means we can get back to the end of where the creek and the pond meet, and then we'll go see if we can photograph him. Because I bet the other egrets are down there too. That was amazing. Let's go find the birds. We're getting some good bird stuff today. This is exciting. I love it. This makes me happy. This is how quiet I wish it was all the time. Love it. It's a beautiful hike. Look, more snow. I know I keep saying that, but I get so excited when I get to see sparkly snow. Oh, it's so pretty. Makes me so happy. And more snow. Yay! Nature makes me very happy. It's one of the things in life that just give me immeasurable joy. I love it. Snow. All the snowfall was actually going to be really good for the preserve, especially coming up for spring in a few months. It's been really good for the ecosystems, good for the plants, good for the ground, and good for the animals actually too, which is great. I love it. Sorry, I have to keep stopping filming because I have to stop and pick up garbage that people leave on the ground. So, because we're out in nature and we don't leave garbage and then clean up after ourselves. This is not our home, and we are guests here. I have to go a little bit slow down this hill. I fell down it a couple of times. I'm that kind of goofy. In case you're wondering, this is the Elm Fork Nature Preserve in Carrollton. It's one of my favorite places to be when there's no people. When there's people, I'm not a big fan. I mean, I'm still a big fan, but you know what I mean. Right, let's go see if those egrets are over here. They might be. That'll be exciting if they are. I get a lot more birds down this area too, because not many people come down here. So there's a lot more bird watching that you can do. I guess it's because there's more trees and stuff that have berries and seeds, and they're closer to a water source. Some cardinals. Let's see what we see. Beautiful trees. You hear all the birds? See? Ducks. Got the ducks. Oh, see another duck. Sorry. Didn't mean to startle you. More ducks. See, there they go. Oh, wow, yeah. Last time I was able to go almost to the edge of that tree stump, and now I can't because the water's like built up a lot. That's okay. Look how beautiful that is. Seriously, that is just beautiful. I mean, honestly, how can you not love this? Like, truly. Nature is just the most amazing creation ever. I absolutely adore it. Oh, I just love it. I love it. Last time I was here, there was a lot of egrets over here looking for food. It was really cute. It was a little egret family. They were so cute. Got lots of trees and stuff hibernating until spring returns. Is that not like the most perfect shot right there? Just that right there. Beautiful. And that too. Absolutely stunning. All right. There's the pond, and I bet the pond is pretty full too because of all the snow, which is a very, very good thing. We've had a drought for a while. I hear that hawk again. Oh no, that's one of the woodpeckers. Yeah, that's one of the woodpeckers over here. Let's go see if we can see him in the tree. It's either that woodpecker or that northern flicker. I think they're from the same family, I believe. I'll have to look that up. I wish my grandma was still around so I could ask her, maybe like, what species is this? Which one are they related to? She was a massive birder, so she would have known. Yeah, that's a woodpecker. I can hear it over there. I recognize that one. Oh, great, people. You hear that? Let's go see if we can get some video of I think those are the geese. A few of the geese, because they weren't over by the other pond, stock pond that you drive by when you come into the area. I think. Let's go see. Yeah, let's go. And it's pretty. This little area reminds me of when I was in one of those wilderness boot camps as a teenager, very, very young teenager in Hawkins, Mineola, Texas, somewhere over there. See, there's all the ducks and stuff. But this area reminds me of being over there in East Texas in the middle of winter. That was not fun. Look at all the duckies. Oh, so pretty. It's beautiful over here. Definitely a good way to spend the morning. Hiking in the woods, in the cold. Absolutely worth it. Here we go. Oh, sparkle. Oh, look how pretty that is. Absolutely beautiful.